There is no such thing as failure. The world teaches us the wrong way to think about things like this. But before I get into that, welcome to the Empirical Sword. I'm a Lore Master DLC 79, and I believe that school doesn't teach, meaning we have to be the masters of our own education, meaning we have to go out and learn the things that school should be teaching us, but isn't, and that's what this entire series is about. So, no such thing as failure. What exactly does that mean? I mean, we obviously win and we obviously lose. Otherwise, we wouldn't have the distinction between winning and losing. The truth is, whenever we go about doing something, we either get the result we want or we get as a result that we don't want. And we usually term this as either we win or we lose. And while winning is good, while getting the results that you want is good and shows and demonstrates competence, which builds confidence, by the way, that's another lesson down the line. I'm trying not to call these lessons, but I let that slip by accident. But I mean, while winning and getting the results that you want is good, knowing how to handle getting results you don't want, that's where you grow as a person. Because whenever you get a result that you don't want, or lose, or fail, this is an opportunity to learn. Why did you not get the result you wanted? What went wrong? What did you do wrong? Did you overestimate your abilities? Did you miss some information about whatever it was you're doing? Did you fail to properly collect the data? Or maybe you just didn't learn enough. Maybe you went into the situation without enough knowledge, or maybe you just don't have enough experience, and it's a failure due to being inexperienced with the situation. Things like this. Whenever you fail or you get a result that you don't want or didn't expect, maybe that's it. Maybe you just didn't get a result you expected. That should be exciting, because that also is an opportunity to learn, because it means that there's some sort of unknown information about the system, or either unknown to the world or just unknown by you. Again, an opportunity to learn, which I believe is kind of the root of the problem here, because unfortunately modern society doesn't value learning the way we should. Because it's those of us who learn the most that thrive the most. Again, that old saying, the more you learn, the more you earn. And I like to think of that in terms of not just money, earning money, but earning anything, earning respect. And so on. I won't go down that path, because I want to try to stay focused on reframing how we think of losing and failing. They're not signs of incompetence. They're not, I mean, yes, you should probably feel bad, because feeling bad motivates you to try harder next time. There's a saying, the only true failure is giving up. And okay, slight nuance here. There are some things that you should give up on, because there are some things that just aren't a proper investment of your time. Like me trying to be an accountant, I would go insane. That would not be a proper use of my time. So it's not saying that you should just keep trying and trying and trying until you get good at something. Find something that you want to be good at and would enjoy being good at, and then keep trying until you become good at it. Again, the opportunity for growth, to learn more, or to gain more experience, which is in and of itself a form of learning. We will get a common theme in all of these videos lately and for the foreseeable future is there's a difference between knowing and doing, and knowing how to do, and being able to do well. But just keep those things in mind. But the main focus of this video is there's no such thing as failure. Failure is one of those things that's only in your mind. You only fail if you believe that you fail. If you believe that you've created an opportunity to learn how to become a better person or to become stronger in a particular aspect, you may not have gotten the result you wanted, but you won. Because being presented with an opportunity to learn something or to become better, that's winning. Go out and win.